Hello everyone, it's just another coffee machine video for you, and that one's not working, so it's only this one here working. So I've got my cup right here, put that under there. You've got cappuccino, espresso, black coffee, white coffee, latte, flat white, mocha, seawater, hot chocolate, hot milk, and all the decaf options. So for this one, I'm going to go for a hot chocolate. That one isn't working, so I cannot demonstrate that one. So hot chocolate, you just have to press it once. Notice how it goes back up after when it's done. And there you go, one hot chocolate. I would say that actually looks pretty good, that. So so that's a brand 800, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.